Welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's Thursday here in American Samoa, uh, June June 10, June 10. So we only have another day tomorrow. So that will be our last day. But I don't know if our training will. I don't know. But anyway, to all the bloggers out there, we always expose on social media, whether you like it or not. So whether you want to watch us or not, that's fine. As long as we can express ourselves and we can do whatever we want to do. But anyway, this is Ronald Borja, a proud monetized YouTuber, and at the same time very proud to be one. And I hope you will like this, even though only few people are watching. But anyway, have a blessed day, night, afternoon to all bloggers out there, and advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye bye.